So, welcome Vandanam Suswagatam, lovely people. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine, and I welcome you all back to one another of Fishistic Vibes. So, it is 6:35 in the morning, and it's been a pretty long time since I woke up so early, took bath, and got ready. So, last time I got ready so early was when I was coming from Chennai to Bangalore. The reason I'm so excited now and so happy now is because today is a very special day as I am going for a photo shoot. Yes. So we all do photo shoots with our phone, with our cameras and all, but this is like a very nice experience for me because I'm going with two people who are really experienced in it. One is an Instagram model, and second one is a professional photographer who has a page. So basically this is like a collab between me and my friend who has a called Rahul, who has a photography page, and he wants to do some collab with me so that he gets some promotion. So that is the reason I'm doing this video, and I am really excited because photo shoot hai, kabhi kabhi milta hai ye sab. So I'm all set to go. Yeah, I'm getting ready. Vibrant colors. So it's really nice to share my experience with you guys because it will be like a memory always on YouTube. So always whenever I want, I can just come and look into that video. So right now time is around 6:35, and he told me to come around 7 near a meeting point. So chalo, let's go. So finally we have reached the location, and we have the photographer over here, and the Instagram model is also ready. I'll get ready in a bit, so let them start with her because ladies first always. Okay, so चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So yes, before going into the video, we need to know something about a photographer, right? So let's ask him about his experience of photography and something about his page and all, okay?
So hi all, I'm Rahul, and it's been 2 years since I'm doing photography, and I started as a beginner, like with a mobile phone photography I did before, and later I've been upgraded myself to camera, like the professional one. And now I'm doing modeling photography and as well as event photo shoots and all. So if you are really interested in modeling photo shoots, just give my page link in the description. You can check it.
So before we go to the shoot, Rahul, what all equipment do you use? What are the devices you use?
So for the today's shoots, we have used D3500 and with 85mm prime lens, 1.8 G. And I used a tripod also for study shoots, and other than that I have used flash. That's it.
So you have any other lenses other than 85?
Yeah, we do have 35mm lens and 1855. So mostly for portraits and all, I prefer 85mm so that we can get a good out. Like it's good for those who are doing modeling photo shoots and all. I just prefer 85mm. It give you best out.
So what is your favorite lens among all the lenses you have?
That I got 85.
You're doing the shoot in that only. Now you go there, enjoy some shots from the shoot, and then I'll catch you back later. Okay. Some serious photography sessions is going on there. I have no idea what I'm going to do. I'm completely new to this, so let's see. जो होता है अपन तो ready हो गए ले मस्त करी ले. So actually speaking about his photography page, he has a photography page called as Rahul Photography, and he does all these portrait photo shoots, and obviously he can help you out if you want to do it for the first time, or if you guys are really into photography, I mean you want to get clicked and you're happy to get clicked, he's always there for you, so you can contact him. So I'll provide his details in the description box below, or also you can see it here. But right now सब कुछ बढ़िया चल रहा है. By the time they shoot, let's discuss about this location. This location is called as Pulimanga temple is 1,000 years old, and there were his father was doing puja here. Now he's doing and all. But I don't know how truth it is, but yeah, this place is really good for video shoots and location. This is like very nearby to Electronic City. It is about around 3 kilometers from Electronic City. Yes, so I think this is a very good place. So in case you guys are watching this video and if you guys want to do any shoot in near future, you can come here and do. It's a very nice place.
Are you enjoying the shoot?
Yeah, very much.
Seriously.
This is not as simple as you see, guys. Too much of complications there. They literally guess I am not getting the pose also right. So yeah, so right now I don't know whether I'll get a photo shoot in near future. So here you go. I want to change the costume. Let's do it in 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Okay, hope I'm looking good. Let's do a few more pictures. Then I'll meet you guys. First round of shoot is done. Now we thought we'll just go for a spin around this place so that if we find any nice locations, we'll go and click a photo there. Basically for location hunt. Okay, I'll see you guys on the road. So Rahul, I just wanted to ask you, how do you approach the upcoming influencers or models, or do people approach you? So when they approach you, do they have any particular theme in mind, or you decide the theme for them?
From past 2 years, I have created my skill good enough to become a good photographer. And by seeing my profile, many new influencers and models have reached out to me for photo shoots and all. And initially, they won't be having any theme. So what I do, initially I'll go through their profile and I'll set up a theme based on their recent photos and all. And most of the shoots locations are not well planned. So what I do, I set up a location, I'll go there, then later I look for the things or elements which is suited for that photo shoot which I'm having in my mind, like the theme which I'm having in my mind, and I'll go forward the shoot.
Okay, so when you wanted to have a collab with me, so when you saw my profile, so what kind of theme came up into your mind?
So that I know this person from past few years, like maybe 2-3 years. So I have seen him before. So I had an idea for him, the traditional shoot won't suit. So he's having a character or attitude suit for a modern photo shoot, like modern outfit and all. So I suggested him for a modern shoot with a modern outfit, and the location was like a bit of hard kind of place with a full of rocks and all. So for what dress he bought, for the outfit what he bought, the location was apt. So we went there and we had a shoot.
Nice. So let's go back to the video again and then I'll catch you guys here. So we just reached our next destination. We were just going by and we saw this beautiful place. Look at that. So we thought we'll click few pictures here. That is why we stopped here. And yes, all good. So here you go. Play pictures from this place. You see it right now. So Rahul, how do you edit your photos usually?
So usually I use Adobe Photoshop and Lightroom. So and I'm not the person who is more into that over editing. I just edit whatever is required for the photo. I don't want to waste the photo's real look.
Yeah, that is one thing I like, because I've seen a lot of people editing too much, and that the whole look of the photo is gone. I think you shouldn't edit much. That is a mistake.
So I just do the later edits like lights, colors. That's it. Not more than that. So if you are doing more edits, that real life of the photo will go. So I am the person who never want to lose the life of the photo.
Okay, so you guys want to see a small sample of his editing, right? So here you go, small sample of edit in 3, 2, 1. So I just came home and freshened up. So that was my first experience of a photo shoot. I really loved it, because I personally speaking didn't know what to do. I was going and standing like this, and my support system, my best friend Nayan and the photographer friend were also helping me, like keep your hand like this, keep your hand like this, stand like this, look at the camera like this. So that was a really great experience for me, and I'm really fallen in love with photography. So the photos are come out really good, and hope you guys seen that in the video and you really liked it. So yes, I would love to do a lot of photo shoots in future. So if any photographers are watching collab chahiye, please call me. So I think photography is plays a very big role in social media nowadays, and so it is a great to have a photo shoot. If you guys have not experienced a photo shoot before, and if you really want to get into some category like an influencer or a model, please do go and have a photo shoot. So it's not like only my photographer friend is available. There are a lot of photographers around. Go talk to them, get to know that you have the same vibe with them, and then go and have a photo shoot, and have great photo shoots in your profile, so that your profile looks really good. And if you are especially aiming for a modeling career, do go and check out the description below. My friend is available. Go contact him and have a collab with him. Okay, I had a lot of fun, and this was my first experience of a photo shoot. Hope you guys really liked it. So yeah, that's it for now. And a lot of special videos are coming up, because just now I got a product and I'm really happy about that product. I'm waiting to unveil it, but yeah, probably in the next few videos. And it is a very big upgrade, and paisa khali hai, but still it's a very good upgrade, and I'm in love with it. So keep waiting for that. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit on the bell button also. And I'm your Vishal signing off. Until next time, it's Vishal signing off. Live your dreams, love your life. Bye bye, take care.